Hey guys, I will be reviewing well-known Victorinox tool. It's the Victorinox Spartan. I got the red plastic one, not the new one with the new scales, but I actually prefer the classic Victorinox rather than the new ones. Okay, this comes with the toothpick and the tweezers. This is a two-layer tool. So we have a corkscrew with the mini screwdriver, and awl or reamer here. Yeah. By the way, in here you also have a very small opening, so you can put a pin for sewing or just I don't know, helping with some clothes problems. You have a ring for a keychain or something. You have the bottle opener, large screwdriver and wire bender. You have the can opener and small screwdriver. Then you have the large Victorinox blade and also the small Victorinox blade. This is for a multi-tool. This is very easy to carry. You can carry this every day and you just forget that it's in your pocket. It's very light, so you carry this with no problems, and it's cheap. You can get this for around 20 euros. So I would strongly advise you to get one of these if you don't carry any sorts of multi-tool or knife. This is really a nice place to start, because Victorinox have a lifetime warranty, and if anything is wrong with it, you can just send it back and they will give you a new one. But you can just use and abuse this. One thing to be careful with is that this is a non-locking blade, so if you put a little pressure, it will bend. So I won't recommend doing any hard work with this knife. But other than that, it's a fantastic knife for 20 euros.